to my YouTube channel. My name is Jocelyn. Today I'll be making another Mexican bread, which is cornbread. It is perfectly paired with soup or your favorite beverage. So for the ingredients, we have 1 cup of fine cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, half cup of cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup packed brown sugar, half cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I have already prepared a 9-inch square glass baking pan. You can also use aluminum or any other baking pans. At least it's 9 by 9-inch square for this recipe actually. So into the bowl, we're going to put in the flour, the fine cornmeal, the baking powder, the baking soda, one-8 teaspoon of salt, the brown sugar. So stir together all the dry ingredients. As you have noticed, for the 2 cups of dry ingredients, the flour and the cornmeal, we have lots of liquid ingredient because the cornmeal absorbs a lot of liquid. So at this point, I'm going to add half of the cheese. We'll reserve some for the top. The melted butter and the buttermilk, 1 cup, and 1 slightly beaten egg. And of course, the 2 tablespoon honey. I have also another version of this, which is sugar-free. So instead of the brown sugar, I'll use monk fruit sweetener or Splenda or even stevia. I have also tried this with coconut sugar. It's quite flavorful. So mix it until there are no lumps. For those of you who haven't tried cornbread, it's about time that you try making this. Perfect for breakfast, with coffee, tea, and we're going to transfer it to the baking dish. Double check again at the bottom. Sometimes there's a divot of dried flour. Okay. It's quite soupy, but you'll be surprised that afterwards, it's a great bread. The lumps you see are the cheese. So finally, we sprinkle the preserved cheese. This is perfect also to be eaten with refried beans, with your tacos. And into the oven, 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes.